Northside nigga.
Go.
Cicada! Oh my god!
Oh, no, girl, I got it! Whoa! Oh, shoot! Holy! This is the new stage of a cicada. They come out. They come out every 17 years, bro. And they're nice creatures. They don't bite. They don't bite. Oh my god, they need help! Oh my god!
Did you hurt him?
They're mating. The cicadas are mating. It's a beautiful thing. Look at this.
What are you touching?
They're making weird sounds.
Cicadas aren't that bad. They only come out every 17 years. They mate and reproduce. They don't bite.
Right now, we're gonna go find mating cicadas. Inside these cicadas, let them know who really owns this world every 17 years.
All the hoes lose their mind when they see me stunning. Yo, boy lose their mind when they hear me coming. All the haters get to running when they hear the chopper drumming. Bumping. All the hoes lose their mind when they see me stunning. Yo, boy lose their mind when they hear me coming. All the haters get to running when they hear the chopper drumming. You already know you ain't even gotta wonder. I was voted #1 rapper to drop this summer. A one-hit wonder, how the hell you figure that? My rhymes like crap fiends screaming, give me that. I'm being like a monkey in that 73 dome. Need a desert eagle reaper smelling like it's gone. Got a bitch named Judy with a real big booty. Boost all day, keep a nigga rockin' Coogee.
We really showed those cicadas who's boss.
Technique.
Put your stunner frames on. Put your stunner frames on.
Street
Put your stunner
executives.
shades on. Put your stunner shades on.
Technique.
I wear my stun glasses at night. Put your stunner frames on. Put your stunner frames on. Put your stunner shades on. Put your stunner shades on.